What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because we have a ton of plays to talk about today. If you guys want to make $100 tomorrow, I'm gonna go ahead share my plays for tomorrow. Okay, coach has been working hard getting this video up. It's pretty late right now, but better late than never. Okay, we don't skip the uploading here, we don't stop, we never quit, we keep on going. So all I ask you guys to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into it. So if you guys want to make money this week, if you haven't made money this week, that's fine. Watch this video. Okay, I'm going to share a ton of plays that coach has been looking at, taking hours upon hours to read throughout the day, looking at charts, looking at all the technical analysis. So in the short term, we got a ton of plays right here. Let's go to the first one. So let me go ahead, check this out for you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and record my screen right here. So first of all, we have the first stock, ticker symbol RBLX. So let me go ahead and see this right here. It is at $59.40. It is down 0.20 cents down, 0.34% down overnight. And guys, I am incredibly bullish on Roblox as of this moment, because on the weekends, Roblox hit its highest numbers of concurrent users online. So that means the amount of players online during the weekends was at its peak. It set a new record. Okay, so it shows how popular it's becoming, and a ton of those players, right? The 2 million concurrent users, I believe it's like 3 million concurrent users, actually world record, right, for them. So a ton of people spending more money on Robux, which is their currency, and subscriptions means that Roblox currency has made them so much money during the weekend. So if we take a look at this, sitting at 59.40, guys, I'm looking to take short-term calls on Roblox. So we're not looking for a year out leaps, we're not looking for 2 years out, we're just looking for get out quick trades this week. So I'm gonna need you guys to look at this. Okay, I'm gonna hit trade options. I'm gonna be looking at the December 20 calls and the December 27 calls. If you guys want to play a bit more safe, you can always go out even more to January 17th, for example. Okay, so it might cost a little bit more in premium, but it's to ensure that the option doesn't decay as fast. Okay, so let's go back to December 27. Okay, I'm going to be looking at the $62 call and the December $20 call. And let me just show you why real quick. Okay, so if we go to the 1 week chart, you can see it's down 0.30% in the past week. I'm looking for a break over $60.22. Guys, Roblox is forming a bullish pennant, bullish flag. I looked it up on the charts earlier. Okay, you can confirm this too. You don't gotta just follow me, you can look at this yourself. I'm looking for a break over 60.22, and I'm gonna be looking at the $62 calls and even the $65 calls. So if we take a look at the 1 month chart, Roblox is up 11.5%. Guys, you can see that there's a consolidation forming right here. If we get a good volume launch on Monday, I believe we can potentially hit $62, $65. I'm looking for a break of $62.22. It was the high of Friday, $60.22. If it breaks $60.22, I'm going to be taking a look at the call options for a strike price of $62, $65. 1 week out, same week, I'm going to be looking to trade this in the short term. So that's what I'm looking at for Roblox. Incredibly bullish in the short term. Let's move on to the next stock. Next up, we have Rivian Automotive, ticker symbol RIVN. Guys, Tesla ran up an incredible amount last week, breaking it all to all-time highs. Everyone made money last week, man, if you were bullish. Rivian Automotive is up 5 cents overnight. I am incredibly bullish on Rivian in the short term for its trading reasons. So if we take a look at the 1 week, it is up 8% in the past week. If we take a look at the 1 month, it is up 25% in the past month. So you guys might be like, coach, some of you might be like, coach, why are we entering a play if the stock is up 25% in the past month? Okay, stocks can continue to run higher. This one in particular has a bullish consolidation, yet again a bullish pennant. So I marked it out. I did my technical analysis. Coach saw that there's a bullish pennant, what's like a triangle shape on the stock. So you could see from the highs right here, from the touch points of 1477. I'm actually looking for a break of 1470 on the stock for taking the $15 call options, okay? Short term, not too long, just short term for the trade, get in, get out. And then you could see the bottom of the December 9th, okay, at 13.39. If you go ahead, do your technical analysis, draw a triangle, right? Draw the bullish pennant, connect the tops to the bottom down here. If I edit this video, I could show you guys it, but we're gonna go in fast, okay? So Rivian Automotive 1442. If it breaks 1470, I'm gonna see whether to take the $15 calls, okay? If it holds that $15 level, once it breaks 1470, if it can keep going to $15, I'm gonna be targeting $15 call option strike price. So let's go ahead, take a look at trade options. December 20 calls right here. The $15 call is worth 36 cents, okay? So it's gonna cost $36. Guys, this is a trade in the short term. We're playing for the 1470 resistance break, which might be coming, okay? So stay on the lookout, guys. I'm looking at a lot of stocks at once. If we take a look at the December 27th calls, a $15 call option is worth 57 cents. So definitely something I'm looking at. I'm bullish on Rivian Automotive. A lot of people do what's called sympathy plays in the stock market. So if they see something in one sector pop off, they try to look at stocks that are similar, right? Nvidia, AMD, Tesla, Rivian Automotive. Rivian Automotive is an electric car company. They also do other stuff as well. But since Tesla ran up a ton, people have been looking for sympathy plays, okay? So they want to trade stocks that don't require as much money. Rivian Automotive is 1442 versus Tesla, which ran up to all-time highs, 435. So that second play is Rivian Automotive that I'm taking a look at. Let's move on to a third play. Guys, pay attention. We got some more plays, okay? So next up is ticker symbol ROKU, Roku stock, guys. It is up 66 cents overnight, up 0.80% overnight. On the 1 week, it is down 0.83%. Guys, this stock I'm looking at, I'm playing calls on this, okay? I'm potentially going to be playing calls on this. I'm looking for a break over $84.36 for this because of the fact that Roku has been in consolidation mode, okay? If we see it move one way, that I'm looking for particularly is going to be a breakout. So if we take a look at 1 month, it is up nearly 12%. It's doing the same thing as some of the stocks mentioned in this video, okay? Consolidating a ton when it made its 11% spike, and then it just consolidates. It's within a 1% range in the past week. So I'm going to be taking a look at the $5 increments for the call options like I've been saying earlier. So if I take a look, this one a little bit far out, $85 call options, $2.14. Taking a look at that, I'm also going to be taking a look at the $9 call options that cost 90 cents, and we could also go as far as January 17th, okay, to the $90 call options, $2.63. So once you pick a strike, and also the date far out is going to cost a bit more, but for those who want to trade in the short term, they can go ahead and go to the 1 week call options, same week, 2 weeks out, you can do whatever, right? So I'm looking particularly for a breakout on Roku over 84.36. And you guys might be wondering, where do I get these levels up from? They're particularly from a stock's high in the past trading day or its resistance from the previous trading week. So 84.36, guys, Roku's just consolidating in the sweet spot right here. So you guys can see right here, I'm scrolling through $85 resistance, $84 resistance. So I'm looking for 84.38 on Roku. So let's go to the next stock. Guys, another stock that I've been looking at, especially in the past week, is ticker symbol AAPL. Apple stock, guys. Right now it is sitting at $248.36. It is up 23 cents overnight. So if we take a look at the 1 week chart, once again, a ton of consolidation, up $6, 2.53% in the past week. Guys, I'm looking for a break of $249 for Apple. Okay, I drew my charts. I drew my bullish pennant. I'm looking for a $249 break after this long consolidation in the past few days for Apple. Okay, it made its high at $250. I'm specifically looking for Apple to break that $250. I'm looking for a break of $249. Then I'm looking for a break of this previous resistance at $250.14. I'm looking for Apple to make a way up to $252 to $255. And if it come back down, I know my support is going to be 247, where we have a potential bounce. If it come down to 247, I'm going to be adding to my position, because what I've seen is that Apple has been bouncing down. Take a look at this, okay? 246.39. What did it do? Go back up. Go over here. 246.62. What did it do? Go back up. If we take a look again, 246.70. Guys, take a look at this. It went back up again. So I made a mark, okay? I made a mark on my charts, guys, my technical analysis, that 247, we got a potential bounce. It's been showing the same pattern throughout the whole week. This is what I've seen. Let me know if you guys seen anything too. And then obviously we have some resistance at 250.14. We got resistance at 249. And also we got resistance at 249.35. So I'm looking for a break of 249. I'm going to be looking for 250 calls. Okay, so let's go to trade options once again. Let's go to December 27th, for example, 1 week out. If we take a look at the 250 calls, they're worth at most 240. Okay, at the highest right here at the moment. On open, it's going to be a little bit different. If we take a look at January 17 calls, the 250 calls is worth $5. So whatever you want to do, whether it's short dated, long dated, make your own plan. Okay, don't rely on this to make your own plan. At the end of the day, it's you that gotta stick to your plan. Don't rely on coach is making these videos for you guys, but you guys got to put in the work after all. Okay, so that's Apple. I'm looking for a 249 break. If it goes down to 247, I'm going to be looking for a potential bounce. So let's go into the final stock, guys. Okay, YouTube, last up we have ticker symbol AFRM. It is up 1.50% overnight. It is sitting at $71.75. If we take a look at the 1 week chart, down, ranging around 1% last week. Okay, made a low at 65.90. Its resistances included the levels of $72.67. If we take a look at the 1 month, Affirm is up 34% in the past month. Guys, Affirm's been a mover. Tesla's been a mover. A ton of stocks been bullish as of recently. But if we take a look right here, it has been making a resistance around that $72 mark. So I definitely see some opportunity in this. Okay, my levels are, if we got a break over $72.82, I'm going to be looking for a move. I'm going to be looking at the $80 strike price January 17th to target a move of $75. I'm trying to give Affirm a little bit time out because it's a stock that I personally think moves a little bit slower. Make that of what you will. Okay, so I'm going to hit trade options. I'm going to be looking at the January 17th call options in $5 increments. So $75 call option for $460. So that means it's worth $400.60. Take a look at, or $460, not $400.60. If we take a look at this, IV sitting at 72%. I'm going to be taking a look at Affirm if it breaks over nearly $73. So yeah, if we take a look at the options short dated right here, for example, December 20th, the option plays are nearly just halved. Some of the option plays earlier were at 0.40, for example. This one, in this case, it's $2. So I'm looking at buy out some time on this, guys. Take a look right here. IV sitting at 93% when it comes closer. So definitely for Affirm, that separates apart from other stocks. I'm looking for weeks out to buy the strike prices, guys. So this one, I'm specifically looking for time out, not too instant for the trade. I'm gonna take a look. If it break 72.82, I'm gonna be definitely looking for some call options, guys. I marked it out. We hit several resistances in Affirm in the past week, so definitely see this one being bullish short term. Just a little bit more time on this one, guys. So that was it, YouTube family. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Coach wishes you a good luck. Okay, I know you guys can do this. Make sure you guys stick to your trading plan. Make your own trading plan. All right, don't follow what I just do. Take a look at this video, maybe apply some things, but ultimately decide for yourself. Okay, take a look at everything I said, mark it out, do the technical analysis. Coach comes here to help you guys out. Okay, make sure to do your own due diligence before entering a play. Make sure you manage your risk, guys. Coach believes in each and every one of you. I'll see y'all later. Good luck on Monday, YouTube.